All right, we're going to take a quick look at the student billing features that are part of Twine and Edsby. The whole idea here is that it allows us to record how much students owe, and within Edsby we make that visible to the parent so that when I log in as a parent I can see here I have my daughter Meredith with a balance of $8,500. I have another student with a balance of $8,250. So all of that is visible so that parents know what is due and so forth. The way this is configured, just like other parts of the system, anything that I'm updating for my student or parent information is all managed through the Twine Management Console. And subscribers that are using student billing will have the student billing menu here. I can assign fees either in bulk using the mass assign fees, or I can assign them individually. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and do a bulk assignment of fees. And you'll notice that here, this is our usual search interface. So maybe I'm just assigning fees for our high school students. So here are all of our 9th through 12th grade students, and I'm going to select all of them. So there we go. And let's assume this is a fee for our school uniforms. So uniform fee, we'll make this, I don't know, $80, and we'll have that be due today. And I'm going to go ahead and add the fee to selected students. So all of our high school students, now there's this extra $80 fee. If I want to look at this on an individual basis, or I want to assign fees, right, I can look up our fees. Here are our fees. Let me find, here's an 11th grader, and you'll see that the uniform fee of $80 has been added and that the student now has a total balance of $80.80. So on our next sync, this is what will be seen inside Edsby. If I wanted to assign a fee individually, this screen allows me to do that as well. So maybe there's a field trip, and maybe that field trip is another $50, and so I can go and I can add that as well. So we can assign fees on a one-off basis. Assignment or collection of payments is much the same. I can mass assign payments, do them all at once, or I can record individual payments. So again, here are the payments for Adriana. We can see that she has a balance of $81.30, and maybe we have that that $50 fee, and this would be the field trip fee. If maybe we collected that money, and so again it's going to take that off of her overall balance. So again, parents will always see sort of the combined difference there. The other feature that we have here is it is possible to look up all of our student balances at once. So here they are, if we want to take a look at that. And we can run a report that actually generates these statements in a sort of an easy printable format. So if for whatever reason you have parents that aren't connecting to Edsby regularly, or you want to generate statements, we can do that here as well. We can see, right, here's a student, and here's what they were assessed, and so far they haven't paid anything, and so forth. So it's all right there, and hopefully easy to use. Thank you.